Welcome back, everybody. My name is Dustin. I decided to take a break this week on some of the projects that we've been working on. However, I didn't take a break from coding. So what I wanted to do, I just wanted to go back and work on some of my old projects. So I have this Zelda Clone that I've been working on. It was one of my old projects that I first started when I first got into programming. And I wanted to go over and see mistakes that I made many years ago when I first started. It would have been about 3 years ago now. So after looking at my code, I've made many mistakes back then. It was more like just get it to work. So this was a fun little project that I put together after I finished the course, how to create a 2D game engine. This course is offered by the Pikuma online school. I recommend you check it out if you haven't seen it. If you haven't seen any Pikuma, Gustavo, he is the one that runs Pikuma. It's really great. I'm actually taking his NES course right now. It's actually really fun. So what I really wanted to do is go back and look at some of the stuff I made. I ended up making this using the Pikuma Game engine that was part of it, well, the ECS. And then we don't create the Zelda Clone in the course. It was something I wanted to do after the course just to work on my skills and ability. And then I never really got around to finishing it. It was just something fun I did, kind of beyond my actual reach at the time. I'm a lot better now, so I went over and started working on some changes. So let's take a look at the GitHub repo right now. All right, so this is the GitHub repo for it. So I actually made this, it said 3 years ago, over 3 years ago, that I actually started working on this project. So yeah, I just made this game for educational purposes, and this is the course here. Here, let me just click on this real fast. Yeah, so if you haven't seen this course, it's a really great place to start. So anyway, after I finished that course, this is one of the projects that I wanted to create afterwards. So it's just a little Zelda clone, and this is old stuff. And I've been just going through recently, fixing a lot of the stuff that I've made. So let's go here into Insights and check out the Pulse. Just here alone, in the past, I've had 11 commits over the past week or so, and there's been over 12,000 additions and over almost 8,000 deletions. There's been a lot of changes. So also this GitHub repo will be in the link for you guys to grab it or go take a look at if you like. I also recommend you take that course from Pikuma as well. So yeah, let's go back here and just check out I've done a lot of commits lately. So let's see what we've done. So yeah, over the past, it's been about a week. I've been at, yeah, see the other stuff was months ago. So I haven't looked at it since, but I made this big update to C++20 and we just wanted to go from there. And it's actually going really well so far. Okay, so let's actually take a look at the progress of the game. So this is the actual code base here. We're just gonna run it. So this is the Zelda Clone solution. So right now it's running in release. So we're just gonna build it. All right, so this starts out kind of just like your regular Zelda game. I've been making little changes here and there. Now it used to kill this. I'm not sure why it didn't kill that, but I think I'm gonna start adding that in. So let's run it. So you can register a player, elimination mode. I kind of cheated. I went into the data and changed this guy so he had some stuff. So he already comes with the sword. So I just fixed the sword animation. See where it does the explosion there? So there's lots of bugs still. Like you see, we sometimes go through walls, so the collisions have to be worked on a bit. So you can see this here, that is a trigger, so we can actually open that. We got with a bomb here. Yeah, see, and you go, when he walks down, the animation I did incorrect. And this doesn't actually give you coins, it just gives you more bombs. Yeah, so the animations aren't correct for that. So I'm still working on getting that to work. If you go in here, it actually does give you the sword, but I already got him the sword. So I actually gave him some keys as well. So I just fixed that animation there, the death animation. Cool. All right. So yeah, you can kill the guys. You have little animations. So there's a problem though, when I get hit, it doesn't allow me to show the other animations. It just stays in the hit animation. So I'm gonna have to fix that as well. Then here we got the fairy. Alright, so let's go to the first level. First level's up here. A lot of the collisions don't work correctly. I still gotta work on that. So yeah, the door is open, like there are triggers there. If you have a key, right there's another trigger right there for the bomb. It'll open the bomb up. Now over here is the one guy. And for some reason the caption's not working, so when I open this door here, the caption's not working right now. It was working before, and I'm not sure what I did to change that, but I'm gonna have to dig deep and see what I can find. And let's go this way. Let's just go get the bow. So right now we don't have the bow. I just gave him 4 keys so I could open these. Because I haven't done the game logic yet to actually play the level. These guys actually do attack you if you come near them. And for some reason sounds don't play all the time anymore. But that's alright. We're gonna have to figure that out. Those can actually hit you. Alright. So we use all our keys, but then I did place this one here. We can go in. Now this guy, I only gave him 1 hit point, just for testing. Then there's the Triforce. Alright, alright. Alright guys, so that's just a little bit that I wanted to show you on what I've been working on this week. I'm going to get back to the regular videos starting next week. I apologize. I'll probably have another one done for the end of this week as well. I'm going to work on the first video for the physics that we're going to be doing in the Scion 2D game engine. Remember, we're going to be using Blux 2D, and I'll make sure to put some links in for that as well for this video. And you know what? It's always good to go back and take a look at your old projects and see where you can improve. And I found many places I could improve with this project. It was really fun. And hey, take a look at the project if you want, go ahead. And also take a look at that course from Pikuma. I do recommend it. That's it for this video. I just wanted to give you guys a little showcase there. Alright, take it easy.